Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Kids, first we are using green color. Subscribe to our channel. First we coloring the alphabet of A. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring the alphabet of A, and the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we mixing green color. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is numbers. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, now we are mixing black color. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the number of 1. The next one is 2. Kids, now we coloring the number of 2. The next one is 3. The number of 3. We are again using black color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next number is 4. The number of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. And the next one is 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Now we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Kids, first we are using the color of yellow. Now we mixing yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is circle. We are again using the color of yellow. And the next one is heart. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Now we mixing red color. And now we coloring and draw the shape of heart. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is star. Now we are using the color of blue. The color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring the shape of star, and the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. And the last one is square. Now we are using the color of green. Now we are using green color. Kids, today we coloring and draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.